May racing yata. Oh. Hi. Hi guys! For today's vlog, ayan, nandito po tayo ngayon sa SM dahil malapit lang po dito yung City Hall ng Manila. So may inaasikaso lang po tayo today. So pwede naman tong dumaan dito kaya ayan, sa car park entry. Kakaiba dito kasi pwede kang maglakad sa car park nila. Sa gilid-gilid. Gilid-gilid lang. May nakaantay ng taxi. Ay, hindi pa bukas yung yung SM. Sarado pa. Sarado pa. Paggabi dito, ayan, umiilaw po dito.
Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way to even when I'm feeling down, I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
po pwedeng makasakay ng papuntang Pedro Hill?
Gitna.
Sa gitna po?
Oo, kaliwa po.
Yung G Park Garden. G Park Garden, Pedro Hill.
Edwin?
Oo.
Sa gitna.
Babalik po ako doon.
Ay, malakadres yan to. Si Pedro Lelati, Pedro yung mabili pati niya. Oh.
Hindi ba po?
Basta Pedro daw, gitna eh.
G Park Garden lang po. Pedro Hill.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, singing